Hi guys, and welcome to my channel please. So today's video, I was having a lot of thought about today's video, so I finally thought to film this video, my everyday makeup video. So FYI, this makeup is totally natural, I will say, because I don't wear a lot of makeup every day. It's not that heavy. Nowadays I'm really focused on my skincare, so it is not that heavy. You can wear it everyday basis, even have not got any foundation. Yes, I have not got any foundation in this makeup routine. So I use this makeup every day, like on everyday basis. When I'm going to my office, I wear this makeup and it's amazing. It stays throughout the day. I will not say throughout the day, at least 6 hours it will be on my face, and it's natural or natural, and I just really love this makeup look. So don't waste time and let's just begin with today's video. So first of all, I will start my makeup using this chia seed from the face shop. It is No Shine Hydration Cream. I really love this. Even I love the No Shine Ultra Hydration Cream. I usually use that one, but for the makeup, this makeup look, I will start my makeup using this. It's a gel formulation. It's a clear gel, and I really love it. Next tip, that I'll be wearing a sunscreen, so I don't forget to use my sunscreen. Never ever. I wear it every day, and you should also wear it every day because the harmful rays can affect your skin. I'm using this Nivea Sun Protect and Refresh the spray sunscreen one. I have mentioned this in the Nivea haul, so if you have not that yet, watch it. Just I will link it over here. You can go and have a watch. So I really love this one. I really love this sunscreen, guys. It has not, like, I'll take it 2 pumps of it. It's a like oil based, and it absorbs very easily, and it stays throughout the day. I really. So if I am going like on a party or something, I'll wear a foundation, but on everyday basis I skip the foundation part. I don't love to wear the foundation every day nowadays. It's feel very heavy, but I just want to perfect this skin tone of mine. So I will use this L'Oreal Perfect Match concealer, and it is on the shade. So I'm gonna apply it usually under my eyes and some of the pigmented areas of my skin. So yeah, so I use this tapered kind of a brush to blend out my concealer. It really brighten my under eye areas. Nowadays I don't know why. I'm having under like dark circles and dark under eye areas. I never had that issue earlier in my life, but nowadays the concealer the concealer really helped my under eye areas to brighten. It just brightened out my under eye areas. I never had an issue with my dark under eye areas, but nowadays I don't know why I'm getting all the dark circles and all. I think I should start drinking more water. It will hydrate my skin a lot. Anyways, I just blend it out with this tapered brush, and I love it. Love. The one thing I really love about this concealer is that it's really high coverage, guys. It has got a dewy finish, and also it has got a high coverage, and I use this concealer every day without a foundation. It looks great. I really love it. The next product that I'm gonna use is to set my concealer. So the next product that I'm gonna use to like set out my concealer and everything, the face, I'm gonna use this face powder, and again it's from the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and it's on the shade. I'm really bad at finding the shade number. Really bad. I'm gonna again link it on the description because I'm really bad at finding the shade number. So I'm just gonna use this face powder and set out my face. The brush that I'm using, it is from the Wet n Wild foundation brush. the powder brush, and it's really amazing. So as I am done with my face, like base of the makeup, next I'm gonna use the bronzer, and I'm gonna like bring some life to my face. So the bronzer, as usual, I'm using my Anywhere Bronze and Sculpt Contour Kit. It's my favorite, and just apply I'm gonna just apply a little bit of it because it's everyday makeup, so that it can a little bit is better, I will say. One bronzer tip I want to give you guys: if you're using like applying a bronzer, don't forget your forehead, because it really like chiseled and bronze your face very amazing. Again, I'm going to use this bronzer with the same Wet n Wild like powder brush, and I'm going to take it on my eyelid. I love it. I really love it. So next, I want to highlight my eyebrows. I never ever forget to draw my eyebrows, guys. I have got really thin eyebrows, and if I'm not wearing a makeup also on daily basis, I will never ever forget to draw my eyebrows. So the eyebrow pencil from the past 4 months I'm using is from the Miniso, and it is automatic eyebrow pencil on the gray shade, and I I really love this. I have used up many eyebrow pencils. I'm a huge fan of eyebrows, like drawing eyebrows. I have used the L'Oreal one, that is also really amazing. I have used the Innisfree one, that is also amazing. And this is my third favorite, I would say. First of all, always remember to outline your eyebrows, then fill it out. It's an amazing tip, guys. I love it. I always do one thing. I always outline my brows, then I'm gonna fill it out. So after filling it, do one thing. This brush, I really love this eyebrow pencil. It has got a brush on the end. Just brush it and you can see some bold spot where you can fill it again and complete your eyebrow routine. The next step is to complete my eyes. I don't wear kajal eyeliners on a daily basis, but I really love to enhance my eyes naturally. So I use mascaras on daily basis. So first of all, I have to curl my eyelashes. I want to curl my eyelashes because my eyelashes are lifeless and it has got no life at all. So first of all, I'm gonna curl it out. The mascara that I'm gonna use is again from Wet n Wild, and it's their skinny mascara. Yeah, so it's, as you know the name, it's skinny mascara. It's not that the brush is really thin. Can you see, guys? It's really thin. It's really easy to apply your upper lash and also your lower lash, and gives a really natural finish. It don't like clump up your mascara. It don't give a lot of volumes, I would say, because it's really thin. The wand is really thin. It just coat your mascara. It just coat your lashes and give a very natural look. If you're looking for very thickening mascara, then it is not that. It won't give volume at all. It just coat your lashes and give a natural finish. I really love it. So for the lips, what I do usually, I'm very much choosy about my lips nowadays. I don't use lipstick nowadays on daily basis. I do one thing, I use lip balms a lot. I've got a stash of lip balms nowadays. So today I want to give a little bit of color to my lips. So the um so the so the process that I'm using, it's not that correct, but this is how I love it, and my lips look really amazing. So I'm using this L'Oreal Paris lip liner Conte, and it's on the shade Scarlet Rose. Yeah, I finally found a color shade. It's Scarlet Rose. So I'm gonna line my lips and I'm gonna fill it out. So usually some days what I do, I will use a lipstick and I'm gonna fill it out. But today I just want to use a lip balm. So the lip balm that I'm using is from the Kiko Milano, and it's on the shade 06 Blackberry, and I really love the smell of it. It smells like chocolates. So guys, this is what I do on my face on everyday basis, and I really love it. It's not that heavy on the face. It has got not a lot of thing. Just the lip is brighten out. I will say the lip is giving a statement to my face. So it's really what I usually wear on everyday basis when I'm going to office or I'm at home. I just really love to wear this makeup. It has got no foundation. I use a concealer that hide my dark circles and hide my spots. Amazing. I love the L'Oreal concealer. And also, whenever you are not in the mood to wear a lot of makeup, this is what I will suggest you can go for. The lip color varies from day to day basis. I usually don't wear a heavy lip color on everyday basis, but today I'm on the mood to wear a red lip. That's why, yeah, fine. So I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to click a like button and give a like to these videos, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, when you're subscribing to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell button, because whenever I'll be uploading a new video, you'll get notified if you hit the bell button near to the subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all guys stay beautiful. Bye.